Ozioma.
Ketchuko, good evening.
Good evening.
Why are you outside? Is she not back yet?
She's not back, oh. Your friend is not back.
At this time of the night? Eh? And she doesn't even have a phone. What kind of problem is this one? Have you called her mom?
She didn't go to the village.
Yeah. If she didn't go to the village then, where could she be? Or does she have any other friend in this city?
None that I know of. No one I know of. You know, so my only wonder is the mysterious person she called before leaving this place.
Ikechukwu, have you had something to eat? I brought you food.
Thank you. I'm not hungry. I don't have appetite. Thank you. Thank you.
You need to eat something, even if it's a bite.
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry now. I'm not hungry, please. I am not hungry. It's your friend I'm waiting for. I need to know where she is. Don't have appetite. I'm sorry.
She'll be fine wherever she is, okay? You don't need to worry.
I know she's fine wherever she is, but my issue is I would need to know where she went to and what she's currently doing right now. That's the thing bothering me, not if she's okay. I know she's okay where she is now.
She will explain all that once she's back. Okay?
I know.
You just need to relax yourself.
There's no how she won't explain. There's no how she won't explain. I think you have to go. You know it gets late at night. There's no problem. I'll wait for her here. No problem. Sorry I can't eat your food now. I'm just not in a good mood and I don't have appetite. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
Good night.
Yeah, good night. Thank you.
You need to lock your gates.
I know. I need to leave the gates open. I want to see her coming. Thank you.
I hope you're enjoying your meal.
Yes, the food is very delicious.
Enjoy. Why are you still in this dress? Diane, I asked you to get her changed.
Of course, I gave her a new clothes, but the bush woman in her would not let her wear it.
No, it's not that though. See the clothes she gave me, and that cloth is very small and it's very tight. The thing was showing all my brazy and the on this I was wearing.
It's okay, darling. I understand. Okay. Don't worry. I'll get you a more comfortable outfit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And please, can I use your phone? I want to make phone call.
You don't have a phone?
I don't.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just funny that an adult does not have a phone.
It's okay, darling. Just enjoy your meal. I'll give you my phone once we are done with our dinner, okay?
Thank you.
But what happened to your phone?
It was stolen 2 months ago.
Oh. Sorry about that.
No problem.
Like I said earlier, I'll give you my phone once we are done here, okay? But who do you want to call?
I want to call my husband.
Sorry. What did I just hear you say?
I want to call my husband.
Your husband? Are you married?
Yes, so I'm married though. You know that, see, me and my husband, we had a little misunderstanding before I left the house. And I just want to call. I know that he's going to be very worried now. Even though we're quarreling. But he'll be worried that this one that his wife is not home. I just want to call him. You see, I told you I wanted to go home, but you say I should not go.
It's okay, darling. Calm down. Try not to worry, okay? Everything will be fine. I'll give you my phone once we are done.
Just see. This is breaking news.
It's not breaking news. It's my husband that I want to call.
My darling, enjoy your meal. Don't mind her. Sip your juice.
Can I eat cucumber?
Of course, take anything, whatever you want.
Eat all if you want.
Darling, take your juice, okay? Sip.
Just eat rice.
here you are. You look so gorgeous, darling.
Thank you, but this thing is very short. And see, this place is very open. See, I cannot even...
No, sweetheart, you need to see how you look in this. Look at those curves. Look at your edges. Oh, darling, you are loaded. Look at the curve. Oh my God, you got it. Girl, you are loaded.
Thank you. I'm not comfortable.
Don't close it. Just let it be, okay? It looks more beautiful like this. Yeah.
It's not comfortable at all. It's not.
Okay, just wait. Let me just snap you. You'll see how beautiful you are. Okay? Leave it. Just let it open, okay? Leave it that way. Can you turn your back for me? Turn your back. Just turn. Oh my God. Yeah, that's it. Just turn front. There. Yeah. No need to cover it. Just
my
leave
breast
it open.
is open.
Don't worry. I'm gonna show you how you look. You look so. Oh, God damn. Okay, come look. See how beautiful you are here. See this?
This thing is showing too much.
No, it's not showing. It's good. That's the trending thing right now. Look.
It's fine, no, but I'm not comfortable.
No.
I'm not comfortable.
Baby girl, you look beautiful, okay? But you have to go to bed now because it's late. Go have some rest.
Sorry about the dress. I hope you're not angry.
For what? No, you're free. You're free to wear whatever that makes you happy, okay? Whatever that makes you comfortable, you're free to put it on.
Oh, this one is very open. See, my brazier is showing.
It's okay. Just go have some rest. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Good night.
Good night, darling. Oh my God, look at the pictures. I'm going to send all of them to Mr. Ahmed right now. Oh my God. Yes.
Linda!
Who is there?
Come out before you say I've entered your house. I don't even want to associate myself with the evil in this house. Linda! You're here. Linda!
Young man, what can I do for you?
What can you do for me? Please tell my wife to come out. Linda! I'm here, Linda!
Please stop shouting. Your wife is not here.
You say?
Your wife was in my house yesterday and left after cleaning the compound. Right now, she is not here.
At your age, why would you be lying like this? No, see, you've caused enough problems for me already. You've caused enough problems in my home. Please, tell my wife to come out. If not, I'll go in there and drag her out myself.
What nonsense? Young man, listen. If you don't leave my house right now, you won't like what I will do to you.
What will you do? No, what will you do? I'm shaking.
I can see
I'm
you've
afraid.
gone mad.
Of course I'm mad, I'm mad. I've been mad ever since my wife started coming here to sweep nonsense from this place into my home. You understand me? I've been mad, I've been mad. See, I've warned you. Stop giving my wife things now. We are okay. Her husband is alive, even though you wish him dead. He's alive. We are not beggars. I'm not a beggar. You understand me? Just please bring my wife for me. Let me go. What is this now?
Oh. I see where this madness is coming from. Poor man. Getting drowned in an ocean and refuse to be saved because he feels he can do it on his own. Look at you. Will you get out of my house?
I'll get out of here.
Get out of this.
I'm not leaving here until you bring my wife out.
Leave my house.
I will not leave this house. I will leave this
said
house.
leave my house before I call the police.
You say?
I will call the police for you.
You call police for what? Please, just tell my wife to come out, please. Just tell my wife. Linda, let's go. Which one is police again now? Oh, no.
Young man, leave my house.
Linda, there's no problem, Linda.
If I get my...
Linda, there's no problem. I dash you. Since you don't want to get married to me again, I dash you to this woman. You understand me, Linda?
You're still here.
Okay, Linda, there's no problem, Linda. Since you now
Young man, leave my house. Stop shouting here.
Linda, since you now want to be married to this woman who wants to call police for your husband, no problem. I dash you my wife. You understand me? happy married life to her. Enjoy her on my behalf, oh. No problem. My fellow man. Enjoy my wife for me. You understand? Linda, I'm going, oh. I'm okay. Enjoy my wife for me, oh. Happy married life. There's no problem.
What is doing to you?
No, there's no problem. Now I've dashed you my wife. Enjoy her. You understand?
Get out!
Oh, no problem. No problem. I should get out. Small thing, you call police.
My God. This boy is crazy. He has gone crazy.
Thank you so much. Oh. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. Linda, you see, I don't want to know what happened between you and your husband. Okay? I don't want to know, and I don't even care to know. Okay? All I know is that you are not supposed to be with a man that treats you like trash. All in the name of marriage. Hell no.
Thank you.
It's okay. Here's phone. My old phone I want to give to you to use.
I should take it.
Of course, yes.
This phone is still very new.
Yes. I didn't use it for long.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I don't want you to use your husband's phone to call me again. Do you have a SIM card?
I don't do, but I will buy. I can buy. I'll buy one.
It's okay. It's okay. Here, for you. Use it to buy yourself whatever you need. Okay?
Hey. Thank you. this is too much now. Thank you
it's
very
okay
much.
now. It's okay. Even if it's not going to be enough, I can get more.
No, You just gave me a phone. No. It's money. Thank you very much.
It's okay. You're welcome. But make sure you call me because I'll be expecting your call.
Why won't I call you? Who am I calling with the phone now? I have to call you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you. Let me be going. Bye-bye.
It's okay,
thank you. I don't even know what to say.
No,
this is
don't
plenty.
say anything.
Thank you. Oh. Do not repeat this one now. Thank you.
All right, love.
Bye-bye. Oh.
Don't question your maker.
Good morning.
Where are you coming from?
I went to my friend's house.
You went to your friend's house.
Yes.
A married woman. A married woman leaves her husband's house and sleeps in a friend's house overnight.
I tried calling you, but your phone was not reachable.
Who is this your friend?
You don't know how. See, I called you. I called you several times. Your phone was off.
What's that?
My new phone.
Give it to me.
My friend gave it to me.
I said give it to me.
So that she can communicate. She's looking for a job for me. So she said I should take this phone so that when she calls me.
iPhone.
She said she's not using the phone again. She has another phone. So I should hold.
Will you shut up? Your friend gave you an iPhone. An expensive phone.
Because she's not using it again now. She said I should just hold this one.
I said shut up! You know what? Say goodbye to this phone. You understand me? You're never getting it again.
No, you cannot do this. Oh, you get to you not do this. Now this is the phone that's
are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you mad?
No, you get to go.
No, are you crazy? When did you start this?
You want to
You're mad with your phone? A man? A man!
This is a woman. Her name is Cassie. You don't know her. The man.
You You're going to tell me the password of this phone. Come here. You're going to tell me the password of this phone. How is your hand? Is it still paining you? Okay, I brought this so I can help you massage it. Give me your hand, let me massage it for you now. Okay. About your phone. See the phone. I made food.
I'm not hungry.
My love, now stop now. Please, I'm sorry. I know I, overreacted a little bit. You understand? But
are you saying what you did is a little? Really?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I overreacted. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See, it's just that, I've not been in a good frame of mind recently. Things have just been overwhelming for me. I had a good job. When we moved in here, things were nice, things were okay. But I lost my job a couple of years. I've not been able to live with the fact that I'm now a mechanic, I mean, it's not... Honey, please.
But when you married me, you promised me a good life and you promised to be a good husband.
I know, but I will still try. I will try. I'm sorry. I will never hurt you. I will never do anything to cause you body harm or anything, even emotional harm. I'm sorry.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You promise?
I am sure. I promise. I'm sorry. Please.
Okay. Somebody promised me a good job, a good paying job. Please, don't spoil it for me. Promise you will not spoil it for me. Please, though.
I will not spoil it.
You will not.
I will not. I will not. I will not. But can you come and eat the food?
I'm not hungry.
Hey girls.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Let me take this call. Hi, Mr. Med.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Who amongst you is Naomi?
I am.
Come here. Closer. There.
Okay.
Turn around. Turn around. Take off your jacket. Turn around again. You can make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
You're good to go. And you? Come closer. Turn around. There. I want to be sure you're not wearing something. You know, girls nowadays. You got it. Girls, do make yourselves comfortable, okay?
Thank you.
You girls are
Thank you,
good.
Ma.
You're going to go over to my guest room
Okay.
and stay there, okay?
All
I'll
right.
talk to you at dinner. But whatever you need, call on Diana. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Alaji.
Hey, Cassie.
Alaji, sorry, please. Let me call you back.
There's a problem.
Problem what? How?
I just got off the phone with Mr. May. He says he wants that Linda girl. But I told him she's not available.
Why? Diana, why would you do that?
Well, she's married and she acts too principled to want to do this. Except you want a scandal to your name.
Diana, call him back right now. Call him and tell him that she will be on board.
And he says he would double the amount for her. But I don't know how you intend to do this. I don't know how you intend to convince her.
Diana, leave it for me. Okay? I'm going to handle it.
Okay. So, how are the girls? Do you like them?
They are good. They look good. Nice clothes. Nice hair. I mean, they are two pretty for final year students.
Trust me now.
Just make arrangements to take them for shopping for our next trip.
That's it. That is the best part of this job. I get to do shopping after shopping.
But please, make sure you call Mr. Ahmed back and tell him that Linda will be on board.
I will. See you later, girl.
Ikechukwu. Why are you looking at me like that?
You just called me Kechuku.
Is that not your name?
Since when did you start calling me Kechuku? What happened to honey?
Please, I'll be going out today. In case you come back and you don't miss me at home, don't bother looking for me, okay?
I don't understand. You.
Is this thing you're saying no? I told you about this job thing now.
You'll be going. Okay, but at least you should know the number of hours you're going to spend.
How am I supposed to know now? I don't know.
But why don't you know now?
Am I not the one looking for a job? I don't know how long it's going to take now. That's what I'm telling you now. If you come back and you don't meet me at home, know that I'm fine. Don't look for me. When I come back, fine, no.
See, you're supposed to know the number of hours.
You have started though. You promise you're not going to stress me. This job I'm about to get, you will not stress me. Why are you asking me so much questions now?
Okay, but you're going to come back today.
I don't know.
Which one is you don't know again now?
Hey!
Ikechuku, from what you have explained, I didn't see your wife doing anything wrong.
Oga? How can you say a thing like this now? So you don't see anything wrong with a woman sleeping outside a matrimonial home for a night?
See, another problem I've noticed of you, you do not trust your wife enough. A woman sleeping outside her matrimonial home does not mean she's in the arm of another man. Listen, it is normal for someone to leave house after a misunderstanding, just to clear heads. Meanwhile, let me ask you, how long have you people been married?
Oga, I don't like this your ideology. See, date no matter. You understand? We've been married for like at least 5 years. But what are you doing here? No, what are you doing here?
I want to collect too.
You want to hear our talk, okay?
No, sir, no.
If I get out from here, go and leave here. Sorry, you tell me what you want to hear. Okay, me and this boy will get problem for this shop. Oh.
It's okay, it's okay.
I've been married for 5 years, sir. This girl was a sweet girl, oh, very nice girl. We met at NYC camp. She promised that we'll build an empire together. We'll grow together. We'll build life together. All of a sudden, see what I'm seeing now.
Okay.
She won't sleep in her matrimonial home because of small quarrel.
Okay, now let me ask you, what has changed?
Okay, I don't know now. If I knew, I would tell you now. I don't know. I just don't understand. I don't understand Linda anymore.
Okay, you know what? Ike, I must tell you, you're too rigid. You're so rigid. Loosen up. Meanwhile, take this car, start it, then test drive it, so that problem will not repeat itself again. Take.
Okay, you see women, Okay, you go try marry, make you understand these people. Oh.
I go try marry.
Sorry, sir.
Just take it. I don't know why she's sending this. Are you expecting someone? Who's there?
Madam, it's me, Linda.
Come on in. Oh, my darling, you are here.
Good day, ma.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
Please do have a seat, okay?
Good afternoon.
Diane and I was just talking about you. Diane, right?
Yes, we have been talking about.
Yes. So how you doing?
I'm fine, no.
You didn't call me again.
I am concerning calling you.
It's okay. It's okay. What matters is that you're here now. That's what matters. It doesn't matter, okay? So how you doing? How is your family? How is your husband?
Well, fine. My husband is fine. Like I told you, since we got married, things have not been working too well for us. And my husband is really trying. The man is working so hard.
Working harder, yeah? Hard worker. Oh my God.
I just want things to be good for us. So the way things are happening right now, it's gradually slipping me into depression.
Darling, working hard alone is not enough. Like, he cannot put food on your table. He needs to work smart. Like, that's it. Are you expecting someone? Check the door. Who's there?
Mr. Richard, you're here.
Yeah.
Welcome, Richard. So what took you so long?
Traffic. It was crazy.
Why did I get half payment?
Calm down, okay? I brought the rest of the money in cash.
Oh. You're welcome. You can keep it there.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ooh. I love the smell of raw cash.
Right? So here. 4 passports for your Dubai trip. Mr. Ahmed will book the tickets.
Thank you so much, Richard. You have done pretty well. Come here.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I really appreciate everything you do for me.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Very much welcome.
See you
care,
later
right?
then. All
Yeah.
right. So take care of yourself.
All right. See you ladies soon.
Diane, please take it inside.
Of course. I and this cash forever, girl.
Yes, baby girl. That's what I'm talking about. That's it.
Ma, that's how did you get this kind of plenty money?
I'll tell you about it.
Is that your money?
Yes, of course. Walk with me. I'll tell you everything.
Hey, that's
Walk with
1,000
me.
naira plenty.
Let's talk. Come walk with me.
Hey.
Sweet, beautiful Linda.
Thank you.
You see, I can never lie to you. Okay?
Okay.
I won't deceive you. You see, all that money was made just in one trip.
Hey, really?
Of course, yes. You too, you can make as much money as you want. Everything lies in your head.
Oh. Okay, so
I won't force you to do whatever you don't want to do. It's not my style. I will leave you to decide. To be wealthy or die poor.
Huh. But wait, how did you make this so much money?
Excellent question. Man, I made my money through wealthy men.
Men. Wait, that is prostitution.
If that's how you want to put it, fine.
No.
But it's very insulting. I'm an escort.
Yeah, but you said that you are into exportations. You do export. So this you give. No, not.
Do you bother asking me what I export or import?
I'm sorry. I'm a married woman. No. Even if I were not married, I will not do this kind of things to get money now. Eh? No. My husband is a good man. Although he does not give me all the things I need for now. But I won't do anything to hurt him now or break our marital vows. No, I cannot do this thing. I'm sorry. Thank you so much, but I cannot do this one. I'm sorry, I cannot do it.
150 million naira. It's a life-changing opportunity for you. Everything is in your hands. To be wealthy or die poor.
No, I'm not. No, Jesus, blood of Jesus, no. This is temptation. I'm not allowed.
In case you change your mind, I'm always here.
I'm not allowed.
Okay?
Blood of Jesus. Holy Ghost fire. I'm not. Jesus, this one is too much. I'm not. I will not do this. This thing is prostitution.
Our trip is in 5 days. Mr. Ahmed, that would not be easy.
Hey, girl.
I understand. I will find a replacement for her. All right. We need a replacement for Linda.
What is it now?
I don't want to keep my hopes high. Linda is not interested. We need a replacement for her. Because Mr. Ahmed said if she's not coming with us, that we should cancel the trip. I don't want to lose it.
You see, I hate that you don't listen to me. I hate it.
We just need to do something. You need to find someone that looks like her. At least someone that has her resemblance. We just need to do something.
Cassie, just stop. Just stop. Did you hear yourself? That's not possible. No way. There's no way I'm supposed to do magic. Huh?
You just need to do something.
Oh, really? Okay. Diana the magician, do something. Excuse me.
Hold on, no. Welcome.
Kai.
Wait. What happened to you?
Please.
What happened to you?
My chest is paining me. I hit it. So I had a little accident. My Oga said I should test run one car. I lost control.
You now bash another car?
Yes, no. I bashed somebody's car.
But what happened now? You know how to drive now. What did you now do? How did it now happen now?
What's wrong with you now? You should be more concerned about my chest instead of blaming me now.
I'm concerned about your chest now, but the person's car that you have now scattered, I hope they did not tell you to pay money for anything.
They told me to pay.
Hey,
120,000 naira.
Jesus!
But I can't kill myself.
Jesus.
I don't kill myself.
120,000
naira.
Where are we going to get money to pay that kind of thing now? What kind of thing is this now? What kind of thing is this?
Please, let's forget this thing. Forget about me hitting my chest.
But you know how to drive now. Why did
it's okay now. You blame me. Please, is there food in the house?
There's food in the house now, but this one now, this dead now, you have put on top of our head. How are we going to pay it?
How did the interview go?
They did not give me a job.
Well, what happened now?
Don't worry about me. I don't want to talk about it now. We'll talk about it later. Let's be worried and concerned about this one you have put on top of our head now.
But what happened now? Why?
Can you just... let's go inside.
But you said you had hope now. Don't touch first. There's food, Oh, before I...
Hey, Oga Landlord. Good morning, no.
Where is your husband?
My husband? My husband has gone to work. This one you came very early.
He has gone to work,
He has, Is everything alright? This one you came very early.
Oh, you can tell me when I should come to my house now.
I'm sorry.
Honey,
I don't understand.
Why are you shouting? Who are you no.
Oh, so this is the man that have gone to work.
I thought he has already gone to work.
You're not thinking?
Landlord, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. I thought you had already gone.
My love, I had already gone to work, but you see, when I came in, you were already sleeping.
Hello. My friend, listen.
Sir?
Keep quiet there. Now, the last time you came to my house, you brought 30,000.
Yes,
what did you say to me?
Landlord, you have not answered my good mornings.
What is good about the money now?
Okay, sorry, sir. Sir, I brought 30,000 naira to you in full, sir. But you said the money wasn't complete. That you wanted your full money. But I promised that I'll bring the balance to you in a week, sir.
Can you hear this, man? I said the money wasn't complete. You didn't know it wasn't complete. Well, I've come now. This is a whole 2 weeks. 2 weeks now. I've come to collect my balance. Go in there and bring my money now.
Landlord, the problem is that if you enter this house, there's no money. That 30,000 is not even here. My wife's family problems has swept the whole money away. But no problem, sir. I will still arrange to get this money to you.
Saying?
Give us time. Give us time.
Yes.
You know you didn't have money and then you're renting house. Well, listen to me. Listen to me now, Mr. Man. I'm going to give you just 2 days and I'll be back for my money.
Landlord now. 2 days.
2 days is too small, sir. It's too small, sir.
Landlord, you give us 1 week.
Or two weeks. Or just make it less than 1 month, maybe 28 or
1 month,
29 days, sir. That would be all right, sir.
If we work,
Yes, sir.
we are going to get the money.
Yes, sir. We'll get the money to you, sir.
That's not my business.
You know, some
Yes,
people
sir.
they don't pay like that. Even the
Yes,
job
sir.
I'm
Yes,
doing.
sir. Yes, I
They
mean,
don't pay me like that.
Listen to me. You think this is a joke? Eh? I'll be back here in 2 days, and if you're not ready with my money, I'll bring in area boys and they will throw both of you out. Are you hearing me? This house is not for free.
I know now. Landlord, it hasn't gotten to this now. You're a religious man. You can't be doing this now. Which one is area boys?
You a pagan. Are you a pagan?
Landlord, now we attend the same church. You can't be doing this kind of thing now. Landlord, we attend the same church, sir. Sir. Honey, you too now. Why you saw landlord here? Why didn't you give me signal?
How am I supposed to know now? You that came out shouting honey.
You should have shouted now. You should have
Why were you
shouted.
just shouting honey?
What's that? You should have woken up now, shouted. Landlord, you are here. Landlord, welcome. Landlord, you came to our house. Be shouting landlord. I will
What are
catch
we going
now.
to do now?
I don't understand. Now you see the problem you have caused now.
Are you seriously blaming me?
Please, I'm blaming you now. You should have
Why
this
will
the
you be
problem.
shouting
You marry good
honey?
girl. I don't
Can't you
understand.
just
You should have
shut
shouted landlord, you are here. I will catch the joke. I will I beg.
This one is very fine, though. How much is a yard of this?
6,000 naira.
Hey. Ha.
You don't want to buy it again?
A whole 6,000 naira. Please, let me be managing the small ones I have.
What have you been up to, self?
My sister, I've just been going up and down looking for money now.
It's good though.
Please, can you borrow me some money?
Like how much?
50,000 naira.
Where will I get that kind of money from now?
See, we're in serious debt right now. Ikechukwu bashed somebody's car, and they said the body work is 125,000 naira. Besides, our landlord is threatening to throw us out if we don't pay because of unpaid rent. A lot of things are just happening at the same time. This whole thing is just going to make me go crazy.
Honestly, I don't have that kind of money. Market has been very bad these days. Sometimes I don't even make even one sale a day. Honestly, I don't have.
I'm tired. I'm just tired. What kind of life is this one?
It's okay. Once there is life, there'll always be hope. It's fine. Just take it easy.
I thought you were sleeping already. Are you okay?
Are you okay? And why haven't you come to the bedroom?
I have a lot going through my mind. Why are you not sleeping? What is wrong?
I guess I have a lot on my mind as well. But my love, you have to know this, okay? You're my strength. There's no problem that doesn't have a solution.
I know.
No matter what. No matter what. We'll get through this. Okay?
I know. And I want you to know that I will do anything to get us out of this situation. You believe me, right?
Of course, I believe you.
I will. Everything will be fine.
That's the spirit.
Ngwa, let's go and sleep. Let's go.
You stand up first.
Come, let's go.
sense so much fun already.
Of course, yes. We are going to have so much fun today.
Yeah.
Hello, darling.
Good day.
Good day.
Well done, Auntie.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. And I wanted to ask, is there still a slot for me?
Wait, you mean you want to... Is she serious?
I'm serious.
Wait, what made you change your mind?
You know, the desperate times now deserve desperate measures.
It's okay. Hop in, okay?
No, not yet, Cassie. So what happened to your principles, Mrs. Perfect?
Diane, not today. Today's supposed to be fun for us. And not bad energy.
Excuse me, I sense bad energy already around me. Please, let's go. Girls, let's go.
Just hop in.
But where are we going to?
Don't worry, it's a surprise, okay? Hop in.
Yeah, hold it there. Hold it,
sir.
Push up again. Push. Okay, hold it.
Good morning, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
Hey, Oga, one sir.
okay, Chiku.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing here? I thought I told you to stay at home till you get better.
Okay, how can I stay home when there's no food in my house? I have to come to work now so I can feed.
But you can even barely stand.
Okay, I'm not complaining, no. I'm not complaining.
Ikechukwu,
Yes, sir.
there's a problem.
What is it, sir?
The man who bashed his car, he was here threatening to arrest you with police if his car is not fixed in 3 days.
What's wrong with that man now? I thought I said he should give me some time now.
Yes, I knew you asked for time, but he has just given 3 days to fix his car. So I will suggest you stay home for now till things are sorted out.
Okay. Are you trying to fire me?
No, now, how can I fire you when you're one of my best in this garage?
Okay, but the way you're talking is as if you want to fire me.
Ikechukwu, I am not firing you. All I'm asking is for you to stay home because the man has been threatening. Okay, what do you think will happen to me? Or how do you think I will feel if the man walks in here to see you and get you arrested? Please, for now, just stay home, okay?
Okay, I can't stay home.
Yeah, push the other side, push the other side.
God, I can't stay home. I won't feed now. That's the only
push
way
the
I
other
will
side,
give this
push
man
the
his
other
money.
side. Hold it.
Oga Tochi. Oga Tochi.
Great. Okay, I push the other side. The inner one.
Oga
Hold it.
Tochi.
Linda, are you sure you really want to do this? There's still time for you to back out.
No, I've thought about it very carefully. And I know that this is what I want. Trust me, you won't regret it.
It's okay. Then you have to send me your details. Do you have an international passport?
No, I don't. But wait, is it are we going to travel outside country?
Baby, I don't do local. I deal on pounds and dollars.
Hey.
So, baby girl, you are going to Dubai.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Dubai? Hey. Hey, but now, what am I going to tell my husband? I don't know. I cannot tell him where I'm going to now. I don't know how he's going to take it. You know that since we got married though, we've never left ourselves so.
You are very, very intelligent. You can cook up something, just tell him anything.
This is going to be hard though. You remember that last time? That first time I came here that you said I should sleep here. It was a big problem. But the thing did not escalate because we already had one issue that was pending. Do you know that? One madam gave me some clothes. My husband burnt all the clothes. Even the phone, that phone you gave me, he seized it. Because he does not like it when people give me something. He will be saying that it makes him feel like he's not able to take care of me.
Your husband is a proud fool.
Yes.
You see this money? You are going to make this money, baby girl. But when you make this money, not even a dime should be given to him. Okay? I don't even know what you're doing with such men that makes you feel more or less like a woman. You don't need to be around them. They are very, very bad.
But see, this thing, if I'm going to do it, it's just this once. Only once. I'm not going to do it again.
Baby girl, trust me. You won't regret it. Okay? You'll make this money. But when you make it, don't give it to anyone. Not even your husband. He wants to die in poverty. Let him die in poverty.
Thank you.
For what now?
For everything.
I've not even started. I've not done anything.
No, you bought me clothes now. You took me to the boutique and you bought me plenty clothes. But please, can I leave the clothes here? I cannot take it to the house. If I take it to the house, my husband will not be happy. Let him not burn it again.
Do as you wish, baby girl. Okay? Just take your time.
Thank you. Hey. No, this thing is once I'm going to...
Except landlord, and I told him to give me some time now. What kind of man is this one now?
Hi! Hello! Ozzy baby! How are you? My darling. How?
Linda,
Yes, this is
is this
me.
really you?
Of course. Why are you acting so surprised?
Linda.
My darling.
What?
I was hunting and then you were surprised?
Linda. Car key.
Oh, my car.
Your car.
Yes.
But you can't drive now.
I learned, although I'm not super perfect, but I'm good. I have my car now, so come and see. Come and see my car. Come see.
Linda.
Oh, changes happen.
Linda.
Come on. What's wrong with you? Come and see my car.
Linda.
Yeah. Come now, enter inside and feel the goodness of life. Ooh, careful, Linda. Come.
How come?
Ikechukwu, come. You see it?
Your company gave you this car.
You like it, yeah?
What kind of company is this?
They do me well and I do them well. I work so hard, very, very hard. Come, see.
In 2 weeks, you worked this hard.
I look good inside, right?